Welcome to Sub-Element T6 Study Guide for the 2026 to 2030 Technician License Exam. This section covers electronic and electrical components with four groups: T6A Basic Components, T6B Semiconductors, T6C Circuit Diagrams, and T6D Component Functions. 4 exam questions are drawn from this sub-element, one from each group. So let's get started with T6A Basic Components: fixed and variable resistors, capacitors, inductors, fuses, switches, and batteries. What electrical component opposes the flow of current in a DC circuit? B. Resistor. A resistor opposes the flow of current by converting electrical energy into heat. The relationship between voltage, current, and resistance is described by Ohm's law, V equals IR. An inductor resists changes in current, AC, but acts like a short circuit for a steady DC. An inverter converts DC to AC, and a transformer changes voltage levels. What type of component is often used as an adjustable volume control? C. A potentiometer. A potentiometer, or pot, is a variable resistor commonly used as a volume control. It has 3 terminals, 2 ends of a resistive track, and a movable wiper. Turning the knob moves the wiper, changing resistance and thus the signal level reaching the speaker. Fixed and power resistors cannot be adjusted by the user. What electrical parameter is controlled by a potentiometer? B. Resistance. A potentiometer is a variable resistor. Its schematic symbol looks like a resistor with an arrow, the wiper, pointing to the middle. As the wiper moves, the resistance between the wiper and each end changes. This makes it useful for controlling current flow and voltage levels in circuits. What electrical component stores energy in an electric field? B. Capacitor. A capacitor stores energy in an electric field created by 2 conductive plates separated by an insulator, or a dielectric. When voltage is applied, charge builds up on the plates, creating the electric field. An inductor stores energy in a magnetic field. A resistor dissipates energy as heat. What type of electrical component consists of conductive surfaces separated by an insulator? D. A capacitor. A capacitor is constructed from 2 or more conductive surfaces, or plates, separated by an insulating material called dielectric. This physical structure allows charge to accumulate on the plates when voltage is applied, creating an electric field that stores energy. Common dielectric materials include ceramic, plastic film, and electrolyte. What type of electrical component stores energy in a magnetic field? C. Inductor. An inductor stores energy in a magnetic field. When current flows through the coil, it creates a magnetic field around it. The energy is stored in this field and can be released when current changes. This is the counterpart to a capacitor, which stores energy in an electric field. What electrical component is typically constructed as a coil of wire? A. Inductor. An inductor is typically constructed as a coil of wire, sometimes wound around a core material like iron or ferrite, to increase inductance. The coil shape concentrates the magnetic field. This is why inductors are sometimes simply called coils in radio terminology. What is the function of an SPDT switch? A. A single circuit is switched between one of 2 other circuits. SPDT stands for single pole double throw. Single pole means 1 input circuit, and double throw means 2 possible output positions. The switch connects the single input to one of the 2 outputs at a time. Think of it like a railroad switch that routes a train to one of 2 tracks. What electrical component is used to protect other circuit components from circuit overloads? C. A fuse. A fuse is a safety device designed to protect circuits from excessive current. It contains a thin wire or element that melts and breaks the circuit when current exceeds a safe level. This sacrificial design prevents damage to more expensive components. Once blown, a fuse must be replaced. Which of the following battery chemistries is rechargeable? D. All of these are correct. Nickel metal hydride, or NiMH, lithium ion, or Li ion, and lead acid are all rechargeable battery chemistries. NIMH is common in AA and AAA rechargeables. Lithium ion powers most modern portable electronics, and lead acid is used in cars and backup power systems. All three can be charged and discharged many times. Which of the following battery chemistries is not rechargeable? A. Carbon zinc. Carbon zinc is a primary non-rechargeable battery chemistry. These are common, inexpensive disposable batteries. Nickel cadmium, NiCad, lithium ion, and lead acid are all secondary rechargeable chemistries. Attempting to recharge a carbon zinc battery can be dangerous. What type of switch is represented by component 3 in figure T2? A single pole throw. Component 3 in figure T2 is a single pole throw SPST switch. This is the simplest type of switch. It has one input and one output and simply opens or closes a single circuit. Think of a basic light switch. It's either on or off. The schematic symbol shows a single line that can connect or disconnect 2 points. Some of our key takeaways. Resistor opposes current flow, and a potentiometer is a variable resistor used as a volume control. Capacitor stores energy in an electric field made of conductive plates separated by an insulator. Inductor stores energy in a magnetic field constructed as a coil of wire. An SPDT switch routes one circuit between two others. SPST is a simple on-off switch. A fuse protects circuits by melting when current is too high. And batteries are carbon zinc and is not rechargeable. NIMH and Li ion and lead acid are all rechargeable.